Bike Extreme Challenge fun ride for the senior and the group of the participants. Saka yung mga co-convoy sa ating mga siklista together with the CDRNO, yung mga medics. So, get ready. Team Army and the Soben team will be participating in this big event sa Open Elite. Go for gold, mga galing to sa national competition. Go for gold. Go!
1, 2, 3, sir. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, 15 years old. Okay, once again, Merima, Daniel, Levi's Almelor, Zach Migret Camila, Alan Valenzuela, Pablo Benedict Lagya. And once again, we shall start now.
Especially for the this is of course brought to
Pares, Cyril Coronel, Joseph Nunez, Derek Bayrante, Manuel Vince Ebonite, Patrick James Manao, Richard Leves, Kylie Vincent Aldrin J. Cortez, Chloe. Here are the participants. The name of the participant.
Prime Water.
Places, Rons Valerie Barredo, Eleanor Morandarte, June Lunes.
So ready, bikers? 40. Good luck po sa lahat ng
si Jenny, nagaling mo.
Gaetano, Susan Paldo, Sheila May Ortega, Sandara Jane Bejerano.
So for the executive category, kasama na po dito yung 30 to 39.
Kindly, please. Sigbisa.
2 and 3!
Okay, another arrival.
Hindi ka boy, nagdukal.
Naligaw, pigligaw kami.
Sana all, oh. Nagligaw ka ninyo kayo. Oh, sana all kayo.